mitochondria and why you are just putting on weight rather than melting it off. Your mitochondria actually plays the biggest role when it comes to weight loss. And I know you're probably sitting there thinking, what is my mitochondria function? Guys, today in this video, I'm going to explain to you everything, and I want to tell you how Mitolyn, this dietary supplement, is going to help you to lose weight finally. No more having to wake up each and every morning and looking at yourselves in the mirror and be like, I'm overweight. I can't wear clothes I like. I can't walk into a shopping mall and just, stroll and buy any types of clothing. But finally, you're going to stop doing that because you are going to be wearing all the clothes you want to wear. You are going to restore your self-esteem, and Mitolyn is here to help you do just that. So before we move on, just a little quick note, guys. It's really important. If you want to purchase Mitolyn, remember to only buy it on their official webpage, okay? There's just so many places on the internet that sells it. Yes, I know, but in order for you to actually make sure you're receiving the original Mitolyn, you have to get the original one, my friends. And that is the link I left below this video in the description box. That's their official webpage, and that's where you make a safe and secure purchase, okay? Now, in other words, what is Mitolyn, right? So Mitolyn is this supplement that will help you to target your mitochondria. Your mitochondria is something that is in your cells, and it's actually responsible for helping your bodies decide when it's time to melt down stored fats and when it's time to provide you with energy. So Mitolyn has 6 natural ingredients in its formula, and that is it. There is no GMOs, there is no chemicals. It is just the power of Mother Nature here, and it's going to help you to improve your mitochondria levels. And you guessed it, you got weight loss. And guys, these ingredients go from Maqui Berry, Rhodiola rosea, astaxanthin, amla, theobroma cacao, chisandra, and they are all here to help you improve your mitochondria. So yes, with Mitolyn, it is possible to achieve weight loss. It is possible to go back to having a normal weight, even if you are overweight and you're struggling. Now, with this supplement, you don't necessarily have to do a diet. You don't have to be working out every day, but let's be honest with ourselves here. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle, balanced workout, balanced diet is essential in being healthy, right? So think about that. And guys, also, Mitolyn is not just about helping you to overcome being overweight. It's also about helping you with your heart, with your cholesterol levels, your blood pressure, your liver, your skin. It's here to provide you with energy, with better vitality, with a better gut. So it does bring a lot of great things to the table, okay? Take your treatment seriously once you start using it. And don't forget, there's also a 90-day money-back guarantee waiting for you should you need a refund at some point, okay? For now, that's it, my friends. I hope I did manage to help you out somehow. Pop over to this link to learn more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.